Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May Mintah, and today I have a makeup video for you guys. I think that's what people follow me for. So I decided to do like a purpley eyeshadow look, and I'm also sharing my foundation routine with you guys today, and I hope you enjoy the video because it's a voiceover. I hope my voice is soothing enough for you to listen to, and see you guys in the next. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Starting off with the most awkward smile. So I'm using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in Tan. Oh my god, that's so much to say. So I prefer using a concealer because 1, it's cheaper, 2, it does the job, and it's long wearing. And the colors come out more, you know, pigmented with a concealer that's a bit brighter than your skin tone, and just blend it out with a brush as I am doing, as you can see. So first off, I'm using the JUVIAS Place palette, the ZULU palette, and I'm taking that pink eyeshadow and putting it in my crease. I started off with this brush, but didn't really do the job. So you'll see that I'll change the brush. So basically what I'm doing is I picked up that pink, but I'm going to layer it little by little. I feel like when you're blending out eyeshadow, it's easier to just take a bit first than taking a lot from the pan and just putting it on your eyes, because it just takes much longer to blend. So do as I do and do as I say. As you can see here, you can see that it's more pink because I've added the second layer. So blending is key for everything when it comes to foundation, eyeshadow, anything. So yeah, third layer, and I'm still blending. We're going for that smooth, soft finish. So I'm taking this dark purple color from the same palette because we're just using one with a flat brush. I'm about to just apply that on my eyelid, and basically what I'm doing is picking and packing. So I'll pick the color from the pan with my brush, I'll pack it on my eyelid instead of swiping it up, because if you just swipe it, it doesn't come as pigmented. So after you're done picking and packing, basically you just blend it out. I do not know where that white stain comes from on my face. I noticed it while I was editing this video, and I was like, what is that? But it disappears the moment I start on applying foundation. So instead of me talking, just watch me blend out this whole process of eyeshadow. So after packing that purple eyeshadow, I decided to go back with that same brush that I used from my pink color in my crease to blend everything together so you have this melted look of the eyeshadows. I feel like if you take your time to just blend your eyeshadows, no matter how simple it is, it will always look very smooth and clean, and that's the goal. I am not the best at eyeshadow, but I'm telling you, this has helped me a lot. So basically after blending, the purple disappeared a bit, so I have to pick and pack again. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So I'm now taking that pink glitterish eyeshadow and putting it in my inner tear duct. I feel it opens my eyes a bit more. I already have big eyes, but that thing just gives a pop of whatever. So yeah, I don't know why I'm excited. I'm about to go in my foundation routine. So this is my Pore Blur primer from Makeup Revolution. It's like the 3rd time using it, and I have to say I can't complain. It's a really good barrier for my face and my foundation. I do not have a lot of skin problems, but I've had bad primers, and this is just not one of them. I look ashy while I'm doing that, but that's all right, because that's what I think primers just do. Just keep on rubbing it like it's cream, like you're rubbing your cream on your face. So I'm taking the Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the color 450. Let me tell you something. This foundation is brilliant. Listen, Rihanna is our auntie, our godmother, our everything. She knows what she did when she brought out that makeup line. I'm so grateful for her. So you can see that this foundation is a perfect match. The thing is, I look a bit ashy because of my primer application, but I'll definitely show you, see side by side how it looks. And that foundation, perfect match. I have no complaints whatsoever. So I'm just about to blend everything out and enjoy my blending process. So after watching my blending process, I am taking the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in the color 450. So as you know, if your foundation is in the color 450, so is your concealer. Listen, our godmother, she's smart. She's helping us. I'm applying that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, on my forehead, as usual, as every beauty guru does. So nothing new here to see. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm using that Maybelline concealer again for more of a highlighted look because, you know, me and Bae were going out tonight, and I feel like at night with a more highlighted look, it's just more sexy, if you know what I'm saying. You know, we need to tantalize our babies, our husbands, our fiancés. So enjoy my blending process again. You know, you already know blending is key. I will keep repeating it because a lot of people always say, oh my God, your skin looks so good. Listen, I'll be blending until I actually can't feel my hands, to be really honest. So after blending everything out, I immediately go with my setting powder from Fenty Beauty in the color Honey. This setting powder smells amazing. I know a lot of people cannot handle scent in their makeup, but I can, and I love the scent. Like, it's like being addicted to something. I don't know. So I don't bake, as you can see. I just like press the powder in my skin. It just works for me. Baking really does not work for me. I look like a ghost, or maybe I haven't just found the perfect setting powder for baking yet. So if you know any setting powder that you're sure about, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's it. So I just keep on pressing it in. I keep on pressing it in. That's just what I do to have like the seamless look. So I'm about to contour my face. Yet again, I'm making these crazy faces. Actually, somebody should send me to a mad people house because what is wrong with me? Like, I'm fighting anxiety in the wrong way. I'm taking the brown color. I thought it was the brown color, but I first went into the orange color. But it was all right because I do that combination. But however, I wasn't going for that look. So I'm just contouring my face. I love contouring. Listen, I have a big fat face, so like contouring makes me feel like I'm skinny. So you leave me in peace while I'm contouring my face. So I'm just using that brush from Boozy Shop. It's a Belgian makeup web shop or something like that. Just everywhere, under my cheeks, around my chin. Do you understand? We are trying to look snatched, like we haven't eaten in at least a year. I probably could never do that because I love food that much. Yes, some people might think this is alarming, a redder color in your nose contour, but I love it. It works out for me. I love it. I advise you guys to try it at home. So at first I apply it with a brush. However, I blend it out. I blend it out with my finger. I feel like fingers do the magic when it comes to blending. Why use a brush when your finger can do it better? Come on, sis. I have applied my lashes off camera. These lashes are from Primark again. I love these lashes, but I still do not know the name because I threw away the package. So I'm applying the pink eyeshadow look from the very beginning on in my under eye because it just gives the look an extra thing. And I learned that from the makeup gurus. I never can say the word guru. Like, it's just weird, but you know what I'm saying. Be careful not to stab yourself. So afterwards, I'm about to contour and blush my face again. This is the Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright collaboration, and this one is called Dusk Till Dawn palette. I'm very sure about that. This is the contour palette that every dark skin girl needs. It will save your life. I love blush. Do you see that little smile on my face? Yeah, that's because I'm feeling myself, but I just don't want to be obvious about it. So I'm about to do my lips. I am using the combination of NYX and Too Faced. So before everyone attacks me, yes, I do not always line my lips with a lip liner. Today I'm using the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the color Rocky Road Chocolate. I love to line my lips with lip glosses because, I don't know, for me it just works out for my lips. I don't really think a lot of people do that. So I'm using the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in the color Chihuahua. Perfect combination of the two. I'm just using my lips to, you know, create that little ombre effect that everyone is going for lately. Cute or whatever. So then I'm taking the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set Spray. Setting spray gives me life. Like I say, I always drain myself in setting spray. I look wet. I love it. Do you see that instant color that disappeared while I was doing my makeup? Then I'm using the highlighter from the same palette that I used the blush and contour from the Patricia Bright collab with Makeup Revolution. I'm not using too much. I want that glow from within look. Extreme highlighter days are so over for me, guys. I don't know, maybe back in the summer, but for right now, I'm not feeling that anymore. So just a little bit of highlighter everywhere on my face. So I'm basically done waiting for me to dry up and change my clothes. So I'm back feeling myself. I'm so glad you guys watched my video. I hope you enjoyed the voiceover and have a lovely day, guys. Lovely evening, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys.
Jesus.
So you like my makeup? Be real. I know you don't always like my makeup.
You know I don't always like makeup. Or you know I always like makeup. What do you say?
I know that you don't always like makeup, so it's
Like, I don't understand it, so.
yeah.
Makes you look good. Innit?